You guys are both acting like dicks.
Don't put your finger in my face.
I don't care what you.
All right,
Stop,
dude.
Okay.
On November 6th, 2023, Tampa International Airport Police responded to a disturbance call in the baggage claim area. The subject was ultimately charged with disorderly intoxication, trespassing, and resisting arrest. This analysis examines whether every step taken was legally sound under Florida law and the U.S.
causing
Constitution.
a disturbance.
The guy in the plaid shirt.
Just walk around, talking shit to people. He's like, get in people's faces.
What do you say?
Get him before I knock him out.
What do you say to you?
He just came up to me. He's like, hey, what's up, man? How are you? He's like, drunk. He's like, stumbling. He's talking shit. Like, get him before I knock him out.
Relax. I'm good. What's going on, sir? I'm Officer Vasquez from the Airport Police. What's going on?
I'm waiting for my wife.
You're waiting for your wife? So why is that guy saying... I don't know what happened between you two. We're trying to figure it out.
Because he's, did he call me a Is that what he
Well,
was?
we're asking you what happened. You tell us what happened.
Did he call me a
Did he call you? Are you asking us or are you telling us?
No, I'm asking you.
I don't know. We're not here. That's why we're asking you.
I'm cool, man.
So
I'm not... Okay, you guys are not here, so...
So you're not going to tell us what happened?
He called me.
Okay, now you're telling us what. Okay, so is that what happened? And then what happened afterwards? Did you exchange... Sir! What's going on? You're acting very strange. I'm going to be honest. You are acting very strange. Are you going to talk or not?
He's acting, you know, maybe I'm homosexual, whatever. But he's acting like I'm a homosexual. But he's actually, like, being crazy. So I'm sorry. Okay, sorry.
Did you come in on a flight, sir? You just came in?
Yeah.
Who's picking you up?
What? Right now?
Yeah.
Status 99.
Yeah, whatever you need to get. What are you trying to get?
99.
Come on. Okay.
For ride out pickup, please proceed to the Blue Express arrivals curb to
Okay,
meet your
number
ride.
one, you guys are both acting like dicks. Okay? I'm sorry that maybe I am not like, you know, I'm sorry. Maybe I'm not like the most heterosexual guy. Maybe you're super sexy to me, right? Okay.
Oh man, you
You
have ID.
know.
You have ID
You
on
know.
you? Don't put your finger in my face. Do you have ID on you, sir? You have ID, sir. Control 121. God. Good. Right.
Will you just note on the CAD the subject's extremely intoxicated and feeling
No, I'm not actually.
Sir, we can't let... So this is the thing, sir. I'm not leaving you here in the airport acting the way you're going to act right now.
Okay,
So listen, are you going to
okay.
listen to me? I'm talking.
Okay.
So there's two things that are going to
Okay,
happen.
number
Sir,
one.
I'm going to talk.
Number one.
My man, you need to relax. Relax, dude. You need to relax.
Okay, number one.
Put your hands in my face. Sit down.
Okay,
Sit
hold
down.
on. Okay,
Have a seat.
May I ask
Sit
you?
down.
Jesus Christ, motherfucker. Why can't I ask you? I just want to go home.
So there's going to be two choices I'm going to give you.
Okay.
You're going to get trespassed, and I'm going to put you under arrest if you don't leave, or you're going to figure out who's going to pick you up, and you're going to leave the airport. So who's going to pick you up, or you're going to get trespassed and you're going to get placed under arrest? Because you're drunk, you're acting strange, and you're getting in my face.
He's talking to you. Don't look at me. He's talking to you. Did you understand what he said? Did you understand what he said? We can play this game all day.
The A1's coming. Okay. So, like I said, you had two choices, and I gave them to both of you. So either you figure out how you're going to get out of here, or I'm going to have an AOM come and trespass you and place under arrest.
Because this guy is like super heterosexual, so you guys have.
You're acting strange, you're drunk, I smell the alcohol on your breath, and like I said, you can't behave. So you're not staying here at the airport.
Come give me a. Come smell me.
Nope.
Hi. You're awesome. I love you.
That's probably what he did to the other guy, and that's why.
Yeah.
My man, you better start figuring out where you're gonna go. Because when the manager comes here and trespasses you and you don't leave, I'm gonna put you under arrest. So, just a heads up, that's what's coming next.
So, I'm gonna sit here.
You are not going to sit here. You're going to leave this airport one way or another.
Okay, so the AOM's not responding?
Okay,
so listen to me.
Get the out because you're acting like an asshole. This guy's a asshole.
Right.
It's a out.
Sir, right now you're being trespassed from the Tampa International Airport. You don't have legit business here and you're causing disturbance.
Okay.
So you're being trespassed. You can't be here without business for a year. You're not allowed to be at the airport right now. So that being said, that you're not allowed to be at the airport anymore because you're being trespassed, you're going to make arrangements to leave the airport right now, or I'm going to place you under arrest for trespassing.
Seriously, you guys see this? You see this? Hey, you guys see this shit? Jesus Christ.
Did you hear me? Are you going to make arrangements for yourself to leave the airport?
I don't care what you...
All right, you're under arrest. Give me your hand. Don't resist. Stand up.
Okay, stop.
Dude,
okay,
you're going to get charged with resisting arrest.
Okay, listen.
Stand up and put your hands behind your back and get charged with resisting arrest.
You, man. Ow! Why the f*** are you hurting me, man? Why the f*** are you hurting me? Jesus Christ. Okay, why the f*** are you hurting me?
Why are you resisting when we're telling you to stop resisting?
You're going to get an additional charge for resisting arrest.
Sure. You know what?
Once we're 10-4 here, it's going to be 10-15.
Let me sit down. Sit down.
I hurt, man. I hurt. Where do you hurt?
I got to double lock this thing too.
You know what? If you talk to us,
We're done with talking.
We tried that already with you, okay? Where do you hurt? Are you going to tell me where you hurt now? Do you want medical attention?
He's got an identity. He's just gonna have to go with John Doe.
okay, just bring like something so I can sit down. Bring like a.
Hold on, he might have ID on the top.
Okay,
What's this, brother?
What?
Sunglasses.
There's nothing. I have nothing. Bring something so I can sit down. Okay. Listen, I'm asking you.
There's no more asking or telling me to do anything, sir.
Really?
You're under arrest.
Really? An asshole, but God damn it.
Yeah, 1-4.
Man, come on. I'm going home to my wife.
You could have gone home. We were trying to figure that out. He's gonna transport for us.
Hey, let's go. Okay. Okay. Can we stop for 1 second? Hey.
I got the name and date of birth. Just give me a second. Come on.
Stop. Please pick up everything.
Yeah, everything's getting picked up. I'm gonna toss him again before I. Yeah. Jeffrey, you got anything on me? Let's pick up. You want to do it? Yeah.
No, I'm not. Come on, guys. Seriously, I'm not. Okay.
Do me a favor. Slip off your
so
shoes.
Sexy.
Slip off your shoes.
Of course I will. Man, okay.
Slip them off.
Okay, I will.
Trespass?
Yeah. Drunk and disorderly and trespass.
Drunk and disorderly for what?
Right, slip on your shoes, Jeffrey.
What?
You don't have shorts on underneath this, right?
Here. Back it up.
All right, come. Jeffrey, sit down.
Have a seat, Jeffrey. Over here.
Okay. Can we?
Climb up in there, buddy. Watch your head when you get in.
Good.
Watch your head when you get in.
May I? Hold on. I feel like I'm getting hurt here.
You're not.
Please don't hurt me.
That's not needed. You're not getting hurt.
May I? Wait. May I get up in there?
Be careful with your head.
Okay.
Ready?
Will you please pull him away?
No.
No, he's a He's been really mean.
Jeffrey, sit down. We're not playing anymore. Come on.
God. Damn it. That hurts, man. Come on.
So slide your legs in.
Come on, man.
Let me grab this.
No, fucking let me go.
You gotta turn so that you can get in.
Yeah, okay.
You gotta turn.
Ow! Ow! God damn it! What the man? Seriously.
You're yelling about stuff.
No, I'm not doing anything, man. Come on.
Pass me the belt.
You guys are being. No, seriously. Damn it, man. Come on.
Florida Statute 856.011 defines disorderly intoxication as being intoxicated in a public place and causing a public disturbance. This is a second-degree misdemeanor carrying up to 60 days in county jail and a $500 fine. Critically, the officer does not need to personally witness every element. Witness statements corroborating intoxicated and threatening conduct form part of the probable cause calculus as established under the totality of circumstances standard from Illinois versus Gates, 462 U.S., 2131983. By the time Officer Vasquez made contact, he already had multiple independent probable cause elements. First-hand witness accounts of threatening behavior, the officer's own observation of incoherent and erratic conduct, and confirmed moments later on camera the smell of alcohol on the subject's breath. Under Atwater v. City of Lago Vista, 532 U.S., 3182001, the Fourth Amendment permits a full custodial arrest for a misdemeanor offense observed in the officer's presence. That threshold was satisfied here. The trespass procedures governed by Florida Statute 810.09. For a valid trespass arrest, the subject must first receive notice, either posted signage or direct verbal communication from an authorized person that they are not permitted to remain. Officer Vasquez provided this notice explicitly and repeatedly, specifying a 1-year prohibition period. Once delivered and ignored, the legal basis for arrest under that statute was complete. No further procedural steps were required. When the subject placed his finger near Officer Vasquez's face, this moment carries legal weight. Under Florida Statute 784.07, intentional physical contact or placing an officer in reasonable apprehension of contact can constitute battery on a law enforcement officer, a third-degree felony. The officer's measured response of verbal correction rather than escalation was tactically appropriate and legally conservative. Under Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S., 3861989, force must be objectively reasonable given the circumstances. Restraint here was the right call. Graham v. Connor established that the reasonableness of any use of force must be judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene, not with the clarity of hindsight. The relevant factors are the severity of the crime, whether the subject poses an immediate threat, and whether the subject is actively resisting. At the moment of arrest, all three factors were present to a moderate degree, supporting the physical control used during handcuffing. The subject's complaints of pain during handcuffing raised the question of excessive force under the 8th Amendment and 42 U.S. C. Section 1983. However, physical discomfort during lawful restraint of a resistive subject is not, by itself, actionable. In Rodriguez v. Farrell, 280, F3D 134-111th Sear, Downstanding Art, the 11th Circuit, which covers Florida, held that tight handcuffing causing temporary pain does not constitute excessive force, absent a showing of serious injury and an officer's failure to respond to complaints. Here, Officer Vasquez immediately asked where the subject was hurt and offered medical attention. That response is legally protective. The subject's physical resistance during handcuffing triggered Florida Statute 843.02, resisting an officer without violence. This is a first-degree misdemeanor carrying up to 1 year in county jail. The statute does not require physical aggression. Pulling away from an officer executing a lawful arrest is sufficient. The subject generated this third charge entirely through his own conduct after arrest was announced. Under established Florida case law, a subject has no legal right to resist a lawful arrest, regardless of their belief as to its validity. Davis v. State, 851, so 2D975 Flay. Downstanding Sen. A key post-arrest procedural note. Officers conducted a search incident to arrest, a well-established exception to the Fourth Amendment's warrant requirement under Schimmel v. California, 395 U.S., 7521969. The scope is limited to the subject's person and the area within his immediate control. The search conducted here, including the shoe removal, falls within that scope. No Fourth Amendment issue arises from this search. Grade Officer Vasquez, B. Legal compliance was strong. Probable cause was independently established. The trespass warning was procedurally complete. Force was proportional, and post-arrest medical inquiry was made. Deductions are applied for a prolonged 11-minute engagement with an intoxicated subject in a public area when the legal basis for arrest existed considerably earlier, unprofessional language captured on camera from a supporting officer, and the absence of visible Miranda advisement on footage. Though for investigative stage public order contacts, Miranda was not yet constitutionally required. Grade subject D+. The subject entered this encounter having already generated a police response through his own conduct. He was then offered repeatedly and in plain terms a direct path to avoid arrest, arrange a pickup, and leave voluntarily. He declined to engage. His physical resistance during handcuffing created an additional felony exposure charge that would not otherwise exist. He demonstrated no awareness of his rights, made no legally protective statements, and no request for counsel. The sole mitigating factor, he did not threaten officers with violence and ultimately complied with transport. Lessons learned. Let us know what you think about how this interaction was handled in the comments below. If there is a police encounter or legal topic you would like us to cover, drop it in the comments. Thank you for watching.